with the tremendous development of world economy in 21st century. Weighing instruments field has experienced vast changes. Together with that, LOCOSC Ningbo Precision Technology Company Limited, which depends on the new technology and market advantage, has jumped at this opportunity in this booming economy and is advancing onto the new peak. LOCOSC Ningbo Precision Technology Company Limited, since its foundation in 1992, always focuses on researching, designing, manufacturing, sales, and after-sales service. LOCOSC Precision is located in the beautiful coastal city, close to the Ningbo seaport. With its port advantage, more convenient for export. The factory covers 13,000 square meters for plant construction. The first production workshop area is about 5,000 square meters, and the second is about 6,000 square meters.